Hello, this is Ling from Mingyi. Welcome to Mingyi Machine channel. Ling today will introduce you machine mold repair knowledge. During the working process of equipment, the parts of the mold next to the tube will be relatively smooth, and for a long time, the shortening process will cause slippage. The shaking tube will be difficult to enter and there will be a rebound force. There will be many defective products in the production. At this time, we need to ratchet the surface of the board to increase the friction. First, put cloth on the working table, then put mold on the workbench to increase the friction to prevent the mold from sliding when bleeding. Second, use an angle grinder to attempt sanding or cutting grain. Third, along the surface we need to polish. Use the angle grinder to work in an S-curve from the bottom to the top. When grinding, the force should not be too large, just press it lightly, and the force about 20 to 13%. The force can be polished like the video shows. We will continue to output machine video to everyone. Looking forward to meeting you next time. If you like it, welcome to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye.